Hello and good evening. Well, today is 1st of October. Yesterday on 30th September, yesterday Tuesday, I shared a trade here on my Telegram channel exactly with these levels. Entry at 38.3808 and SL at 3791 and TP at 3869 for the USD and XA USD pair, like gold trade, I mean to say. Now, the trade took TP today. So if you see right now on 1st October morning around 6 a.m., the trade took hit my target price TP. It's a wonderful trade if you say like it's a move of around 610 pips, which is very good in fact. Now this is the first trade I shared this week, and this is the last trade as well because this one trade has been so good. So of course I'm not planning any other trade this week. Now I just wanted to make a quick video and explain, like, why did I take this trade and what are the rationales behind taking this trade. So currently you see my chart is on 15 minutes. Let me take it down, take it to a bigger time frame, let's say, and to an 1 hour chart. Now, on 1 hour, if you see, the thing is, all of us, we know that, right, that because of fundamental reasons, because of whatever reasons, like China piling up a lot of gold and all, because of those reasons. So currently, gold is in a kind of bull run, which is like once in a lifetime kind of bull run. Now, if we go back a little bit, like 2 days, so what we can see that gold was in this zone. Gold is in this zone of 3775 high and low, 3723 in this zone for around from 23rd September up until 26th September, like last week. And then when gold finally broke out, this high, we can see that when gold finally broke out this high of this range, yeah, which is here. Yeah, when broke out this region, which was 3792, I mean around 3800, which finally happened on this Monday 6 a.m. in the morning. Gold went really real quickly from this 3790 to 3870, like an 80 pips move. Now after that, actually many of my channel members were texting and me that why we are not going for a trade in this scenario, because this is a very good momentum. But for me, I always, after every move, I always wait for a correction to plan a trade. So yesterday on 30th of September, after hitting this 3870, then all-time high, gold actually did a correction because of some news and stuff. But still, for me, it's a correction. So and then gold pulled back until 3793, right? The previous, if you see this previous zone, which I marked right now here. Now, once the gold, this price pulled back up until this level, after that, we can see that this was the first 1 hour candle, which was green, which was a, good candle. And after this candle got close, so I started gaining confidence that it's time for me to get into the trade. So I'll explain you these two candles, because what I'm doing here right now is I'm just analyzing the candlestick pattern, purely candlestick pattern analysis. So if you see this last candle of 1 p.m. yesterday, this is Dubai time, or 30th September, which was a good red candle. A lot of selling happened here. But after that, if you see, this candle is a very good green candle. It's a almost without any wick on the bottom side. So there is a small wick on the higher side, but the candle almost covered 80% or 85% of the uh, previous red candle. So it's a very good buying candle, honestly. So that's the reason, because the one, I mean, two things here. So what I did, I waited for the pullback. After the pullback, I waited for a good green candle to plan my trade. Okay. Now if this candle had this candle closed, like let's say at less than 50% of this previous red candle, let's say the 50% of this candle was here, right? So if the green candle had closed below this level of 50% of this previous red candle, I would have waited for one more candle for the confirmation. But in my experience of this last 3 years of trading, when I see a candle is actually around 70 to 80% of the previous candle, it's a kind of sign of reversal. Now After that, I mean, I was very confident, and that's when I shared my trade in the group and saying that, guys, I'm going long, and that was my target. Now the target, why it's a very no rocket science, why did I give the target of 3869? Because the previous high was 3869. So market might, do some sort of I mean, little bit of correction and rejection from there. That's why I kept that as my TP, and SL was at 3791 at that range. And why so? Because of the law of previous candle, and this range which I marked earlier. So it's very it's a very basic thing. I mean, so if you see, and this trade was very wonderful, that after I entered the trade, and there was very good momentum, and uh, around 16 hours it took, 15 16 hours it took for me to give this 610 pips, which was a wonderful move, honestly. Now I keep, I mean, I don't share a lot of trade in my channel. People who are part of my channel can, can relate when I say that maximum 2 to 3 trades max per week I share on my channel, and I try to give only those trades which I'm very confident. Those trade I want to share in my channel, and yeah, I mean, I'm happy that I could add value to my channel. I think in last 5 or 6 weeks, since I'm tracking the performance of the trades that I share on my channel, I had given trades of more than 2,500 pips or something. Of course, I do hit my. I mean, sometimes my trades hit SL, which is very normal. I mean, if someone is saying that he is not taking SL in his trading journey, then he is definitely faking. But of course, I do face SL sometimes, and I do share my SL also in the group, in the channel. And yeah, that's all about this trade. It was about patience, and it helped me to grab these 610 pips for this week. I think I'm not going for any other trade, and that's all about it. So if you want to join my channel, of course the link is in the description. It's a free channel. Go ahead. Until now it's free. I don't know, maybe in the future I'll honestly I'll pay some sort of, I mean, I'll put some sort of premium or something, since my performance is going well. And because as they say, people don't value the things which comes for free. So right now I don't have it in my mind, but in future probably I'll add some sort of premium to be part of the channel. But until then, enjoy the free stuff that I share in my channel, and help me grow the community. That's it. And if you're new to CFD trading, you want to sign up for trading on CFD, stuff like gold, BTC, etc., please sign up using my referral link in the description. I use XNES as a broker. I do have very good communication with them and relationship with them. So yeah, it's a very good broker. I would say I can personally recommend anyone. I have been using XNES for last 2.5 years, and never had any single issue with them. So if you also want to sign up, if please sign up using my referral link. That's it. Any question, anything, please feel free to reach out to me. You can comment here, and I would love to respond back to you. Thank you, and wish you happy trading.